Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Rarisa Maribi and I film contents about graduate school in the United States, sustainability, education, lifestyle, and finance. So today I'm going to be unboxing the 2021 iPad Pro with the M1 chip. So let's get right into this. Got the iPad Pro. It's a little bit on the expensive side, but there's like the budget iPad. Although I don't want that, like especially because of the pencil. This is my second iPad ever. My first iPad Mini. I bought it back in 2014, and the battery it's not good anymore. And like it's so old, no pencil goes with it. So I'm happy I'm getting this one with the pencil. As a researcher, I have to write a lot, and I hope to just phase out paper from my life and write my notes on this iPad, and just like be more productive, and even like with my research life and also my creative part also. Yeah, I it was either this or the iPad Air, but in terms of cost, the iPad Air cost about the same. So there was like the 64 gigs for the iPad Air, and that's too small of a storage. And the next was like 252, which came out to be the same price with the iPad Pro 11-inch. I got the 128 gigabyte, and that's okay for me. Um, yeah, had a I didn't get the case from Apple because it was just too expensive. So I got this Zito top from Amazon, and I think it does the job. I didn't get the magic keyboard because I have a MacBook, as you can see. So if I want to do anything that requires a computer, I use my MacBook, but this is more of on the go. So I used the deal from Apple is actually giving out it is you actually doing a deal right now for students. So you get $50 off your iPad price, and you get an AirPod for free. So I wanted to get this AirPod before, and I also wanted to get an iPad. And so when I saw the deal, I just took it. Yeah, definitely. It's not like you need like the iPad to be productive, but because I'm a iPad girl or Apple girl, um, I've been wanting to get this since last year, or I've wanted to get an iPad since last year because, like I said, my other iPad doesn't work anymore. So I'm glad I got this, and yeah, I'll be making a follow-up video to show you guys the apps that I'm using best for my productivity, improving productivity in both my research and my creativity life, like on YouTube. So I'm so excited, and I love it. Yeah, so I had to get the pencil, like I said. Um, one reason why I didn't get the budget iPad is silly, but that was the reason, was because the pencil wasn't like this. Like you, it's the first generation pencil that you have to like charge on like the lightning port. But I really liked this type, so yeah, my iPad. So yeah, like I said, I'll be doing a follow-up video. Please stay tuned. Turn on your post notifications so that you know when that video goes up, so that I share with you all the apps that I'm enjoying and loving, and now my productivity has increased. So if you're not yet subscribed, please hit on the red subscribe button and join the family right now. Until next time, continue to live consciously, and I'll see you in my next video.